Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Be Aware channel, and in this today's video we are going to learn about our third process flow which is available, and that is basic processors. Okay, so what you are able to see is the model which we have created, the same model we are going to use in order to understand the default process flows which are available in Flexsim, by the help of which you can create these object functionalities using the process flow. So basically, if you see the ideally what we do is we use the fixed resources from here, so there is no need for these default process flows, but there are some conditions where we cannot use these process flows to replicate our processes similar to the processor queue, source, or stuffs. So that is where we need to use these process flows, default process flows we can use, modify in there, and then it is there for us to create the defined required simulation modeling logic. Okay, so basically currently what you could see is the processor which you are seeing this, there is nothing but an illusion. Okay, if you see that, basically it looks like the processor, but it's a queue. The properties of queue you can utilize, visualization you can have like a processor, and the functionality also we can have as a processor. So by using default process flows in this, we can have multiple functionalities into a single object. It is having the queue properties, it is functioning like a processor, is visualizing like a processor. So these are the advantages of using default process flows, or the power of the process flow in Flexsim simulation model building. So let us understand in detail in this video, so stay tuned with us till end of the video to understand how we can use this default process flow of basic processors, and what are the things to be needed to be modified, what are the things which are not required, and what are the things we can use to make that function more better. So that is what we are going to learn in this today's video. So we have already released default process flows video for source and for queue. If you haven't watched our videos, you can access our videos on our YouTube channel Be Aware, and you can reach us out on our website beawarechannel.com, purchase our premium subscription, and then you can enjoy the training classes, premium featured modules, training modules, 3 years files, and assessments. So do not forget to purchase our subscription available on our Be Aware channel to have access to premium training content related to the future technology, that is digital training. So let us now begin about model building. So if you haven't liked the video as of, please do like our videos. Do not forget to share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs. We bring Flexsim simulation training, we bring industrial engineering related concepts, tutorial videos, we will bring financial education for personal financing, we'll bring personality development required for your job trainings and for your current jobs and for your career growth. So stay tuned with Be Aware, we are going to have exciting stuff. We also have the greatest content that is health related, because health is wealth. So that is what we mean, and that's why we have brought you the healthy content related to health. So do not forget to access that. So that being said, here if you see, we have a source, we have a queue, and we have a Q3, and this Q3 has been stacked with the parts onto the top of it, right? And we have these processors. Now the major thing, if you could look at, I have the parts coming in. Okay, those are coming from Q2 going to Q3, but there is no connection in between, right? There is no A connection, and this we are straight away doing by using the process flow. That's the reason we do not need this. But now I have done the modifications in this default process flow, and that is why visit our website beawarechannel.com, and once you are going to visit our website beawarechannel.com. In a tab of simulation, you can visit our tab in simulation, and once you come in simulation tab, you will be able to see subscription for premium content access here. So you just need to select your required premium subscription plan. We have it monthly, we have it quarterly, and we have it yearly. So as per your requirement, you can purchase a subscription plan, and once you have purchased a subscription plan, you can come to the training classes page which we have available on our beawarechannel.com. And once we receive a payment from you, we would be sending you a approval email, and once you are going to receive a approval email, it is just a matter of click. You just need to visit a training classes page, and once you are going to visit this training classes page, you have to just come in below here, have you purchased a subscription, and you just need to hit a button here, paid and upload. Click to start training. If you want to purchase, you can purchase it from here. We also have a plans listed, similar plans which are on the simulation page. We also have it on the training classes page. You can also purchase the thing by visiting the subscription plans, and once you are done with approval, you just need to click here and you would be visiting our premium training page, and there you would just need to put your login credentials. If you have already logged in into your account by signing up or creating an account, there is no need for you to sign up again. But if you are signed out or you do not have an account, you can just click in here, or you can also create an account here. Once you click in here, you will be visiting a login page and you are done with this stuff.